What's up, everybody? It is Lawrence, and today we have a double unboxing. This is probably going to be a quick one because I do want to get these on feet and give you guys a nice ass review of these sneakers. So the first thing is going to be a completely and brand new silhouette for Nike. It's called the CruzrOne. The CruzrOne is one of the weirdest shoe concepts I've ever heard of, which is the idea of creating a shoe specifically for slow runners. I'm sure there's a large market for it because I would include myself as a slow runner, but the fact that they're creating a shoe for me to go slower doesn't make much sense in my head, but that's okay because if it's a comfortable shoe and it does great things for people that want to utilize it for that purpose, awesome. But let's start with the box here. This is a red box, sorry, a black box with red, and that is the CruzrOne logo that you can see over there. It has a big Nike swoosh. On the side, you don't really see much else. There's some other CruzrOne branding, as well as the size, and this is a flip-top box. So let's flip that box, baby. That's actually super freaking funny. So if you look at the paper, the two kind of mascots there are a sloth running and then a turtle running. So like I said, really funky concept. I kind of like it, although there's also like a snail there. Here it is, guys. This is the Nike CruzrOne. This is a really... The pics like don't look like it at all. This whoa. Over here is kind of like Cookie Monster. It's like it's pretty soft considering what it is, but it looks like Cookie Monster. It's all frayed and odd and soft over here where the sock liner is. That's really funky. You have this like kind of, I guess like, I don't know what type of material this is, but it's got an overlay over here with the Nike swoosh on it in white, and then you have a very stretchy mesh in the very front with some fuse at the very top, and you have a relatively, considering most Nike shoes nowadays barely come with any track pattern, this is a pretty heavily tractioned sole pattern over here on the very bottom where the outsole is, and you have these like cool dots that kind of look like candies go all throughout the shoe. I don't know what exactly the foam cushioning on this is, but I assume it's supposed to be really soft because it is, oh, it's Nike React. It says it right there. We'll see what this looks like. I don't think there's anything else on the shoe, and I think that's it. So this is the CruzrOne, and that's the first unboxing. I'll do probably hopefully wear that for a little bit before giving out a review on that. And oops, I just dropped that one, but that's okay because nobody needs it. All right, this is the next up. This is the Pegasus Turbo Shield. No relationship to the MCU universe, and this is what the box looks like. It's done in this kind of gradient, not gradient, dotted blue and black with the Nike swoosh on the very top. And on the back it says, in case of emergency, run, which is kind of a fun thing to put in here. It kind of looks like the inside and outside of a box kind of reversed. But let's flip this. Let's flip this bitch up. Boom, and the inside is oddly not packed very well. It feels like this shoe was like already opened by somebody else, but it's not likely because both directly from Nike and also it's a brand new shoe, so the chances of anybody even kind of getting it back are slim to none. So this shoe is available only via members access, which really doesn't mean very much. You can definitely sign up anytime for members access through the Nike app, so just do that and you'll be able to get access to shoes like this. But I wouldn't call them access, just basically sign up for an account. This is the Pegasus Turbo Shield. It says 2019 right here, all throughout here. And basically this is the Pegasus Turbo 2 sole. So the midsole is exactly the same, and it's really see much difference. Oh, that's actually kind of cool. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty... No, wait, no, that's just normal. It's just painted black. I just thought they were more traction patterns, but it seems like the traction pattern is exactly the same, so not much difference there. This is the all-black version. There's another version that they released at around the same time, and this is a different lacing system, obviously. So you have a zipper that goes across, slanted towards the front, and it would open up over here. Oh, wow. And you have a little Velcro piece in the front that would open up here, and on the inside... Oh, wow, there's actually a lot of components to this. On the inside, you have several kind of lace strips that are on the inside, and it says Nike Run Utility right there, if you can see that. And I guess if you open it up here, what happens? Not much. It feels like I guess you would just tighten it more if you really wanted to go around your midfoot a little tighter. But really, that's about it. On the inside, there's a neoprene booty. And that's right here. And so I guess you just kind of flip this over, you zip it up, and then all of a sudden you have a Shield shoe. The Shield shoes typically are water resistant, not completely waterproof. They're typically water repellent, which is a very different thing. And so you wouldn't expect it to submerge your foot into a shoe. Sorry, submerge your feet into water and be okay with it. But I kind of really like I'm really digging this looks. I mean, this is definitely like a tech-based look, and on the on the medial side you'll see something that says Zoom Pegasus Turbo Shield, care of Nike, featuring Nike Zoom X and React, and it's by Nike, running 2017 to 2020. And I assume these are hits of 3M. If not, then I don't know what else they would be. But I really like this shoe so far from an unboxing perspective. Hopefully there's more. Let me see if there's... That's really it on the shoe. Full review of these definitely coming up, probably faster than CruzrOne, just because I feel like I'm going to be wearing these a lot for the purposes of comfort, but also because it's a really cool looking shoe. So it should be relatively versatile in terms of wear. So this is coming up, and until next time, this was the Pegasus Turbo Shield, and this is... let me pick this shit back up. And this is the CruzrOne. Until next time, peace.